So if you're wondering why I have a bucket of water, some distilled white vinegar, and Lysol spray in a very dirty shoe, it's because my very expensive shoes got molded in my storage unit, and we're gonna try and see if we can get the mold out. So here we go. This is crazy because for some people who already watched the video, you guys know that I did have a storage unit and it flooded, but most of my pairs, which you can see behind me, they were secured in these containers. However, when I was going through the rest of my shoes, I realized that this was at the bottom of the shoes, but they were still in their box because I never worn them. And so them being at the bottom, they got hit with the water, and obviously you can see this one's a little bit worse. I'll let you guys get a close up. So yeah, it's terrible. But, you know, we're gonna see if we can try and get it out. And for all the people that are asking me about the free shoes, I've been trying to figure out a way how to give it to you guys. So to the left of me right here is all of the free shoes that I managed to salvage. Basically, they aren't really damaged, or if they are damaged, literally it just takes a little bit of cleaning. There's no mold or anything. Just would rather freshen up before I give it to you guys. So I'm gonna be posting a series of videos like this, and throughout the video, I'm gonna say a certain thing, and all you gotta do is reply to that certain thing in the comment section below with your size. And the first person who I have their size left still available, I'm gonna go ahead and reply to you. I'm gonna have you contact me on Instagram, and then I'm gonna go ahead and ship you out your shoes. So I think that's the best way possible to do it, just so I can get some more engagement with you guys. And then the more that I'm able to profit off of this, the more that I'm able to help you guys with, you know, send you free shoes, because that's my main goal with this. I kind of just want to help you guys out. So help me help y'all. So without further ado, man, let's try and see if we can unmold these shoes. So first thing I'm gonna do is, I guess, spray with this Lysol spray. Honestly, I don't know if this is even gonna be working, but my mom was just like, well, my mom, she wanted me to spray it with bleach. And I told her, I said, nah, I don't think that's the right thing to do, because, bro, I should be wearing like a mask or something. Because they aren't white shoes, and it's not completely leather, right? So these are definitely cream and white. So I didn't know if bleach was gonna work or not, and so I guess this is the best next thing because it kills bacteria or mold or whatever. So we're just gonna put a cool little coat on it. And then I have Crep Protect. I recently just bought it, and if you guys, make sure you buy your Crep Protect at Finish Line, because if you have points at Finish Line, this only comes out to $2. I actually didn't have any points, because I guess one of my accounts got deactivated from inactivity. I don't know, but make sure you go to Finish Line or JD. Bro, this shouldn't spray so much, bro. Bro, what's that thing where you like mix too many chemicals and it causes some type of, I forgot what it's called. It's like some type of bomb. Bro, that's how I'm feeling right now. And I'm like trapped in this garage. Well, not trapped, I can really open up but that's quite fun. But yeah, I got my Crep Protect. Only reason I bought this, well, I like Crep Protect, and then the brush, they include a brush, and they include this little wipe off towel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour some of this vinegar, because that's also what Google told me to do. I'm gonna pour it in this, I have like a bucket of hot water. I'm gonna go ahead and put some vinegar in it. They also said that kills mold. So we're gonna put, I don't know how much to put in there. I'm probably not gonna put too much because I really don't want my shoes smelling like, well, I hate the smell of vinegar, bro. But we used about half a bottle, give or take. And honestly, just by the smell of it, me pouring it into the bucket, I'm probably gonna have to wash it with something else afterwards, if it does manage to get all this stuff out, because I don't want my shoes to be smelling like vinegar afterwards, you know? So we're gonna dip the brush, so I'm gonna put my hand. See what I mean? Like, I didn't even know, like, bro, these are literally brand new. The holder's got mold in it, which is kind of good because it saved it from getting an insole. And what I'm gonna do is, and honestly, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna just put it in the washing machine. I didn't want to put in the washing machine to begin with, just not to like ruin the shape or the material of the shoe. But this isn't, you know, this isn't like one of those shoes where the material is gonna be ruined like that. So if this little remedy doesn't work, we're gonna try and we're gonna do that. So let me get to scrubbing, and then hey, hold on. Hey, should I hold on? Cause that hoe worked pretty smooth. I ain't gonna lie, I'm probably gonna give y'all a little closer to this, bro. Let me get a little splash of that. So, as you can see, this is like some of the mold right here. And so we're just gonna, hold on, bro. Now these red stains, which I have no idea what they are. I wanna say it's the paper from the box. I don't know. Use this cloth because I'm getting some of the stuff on here. But yeah, this red stuff isn't really coming out as good as the mold is coming out, but at least the mold is gone. Maybe I'm gonna try and scrub a little bit harder. So whatever this red stuff is honestly, it's not coming out, but at least I'm getting the mold out. And at the end of the day, I can make this a custom, you know? It's always good to have a story behind your shoe. I literally don't know what this is. I really don't. But the mold is coming out perfectly fine, honestly. And then this is like, yeah, so my biggest concern right here is this red. But as you can see, like, I've gotten most of it out just from the little bit of scrubbing that I did. But that's my biggest concern right now is this red piece right here. Let's see. We're gonna try and scrub a little bit more. Honestly, I wanna try with bleach, but then it's like, I don't wanna ruin. But actually, now that I'm thinking about it, all of the red spots on the shoe are on the white part. But this is a good thing now because I left some shoes in my storage and that had mold on them, but they didn't have, honestly, I don't know what this is. I really don't know what it is because it's red. Obviously, that's not mold or anything. I don't remember. I know it came in like an orange Nike box, but I don't remember the paper. But a lot of the paper, that was like one of the main issues with a lot of the shoes in my storage was that the paper stuck to the shoe. So it's actually like very disappointing. See, this other pair isn't that bad. It's really just these red stains. So honestly, I might just put it in the washer, or should I try some bleach, y'all? I think maybe I should try the bleach, and then I'll probably just take off my jacket so I don't get stained or anything. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go try bleach first because whatever. And obviously I haven't cleaned over everything, but just a couple of minutes of scrubbing, y'all can see the difference. Especially this side. This side looks like, I wouldn't say brand new, but looks somewhat clean. So I'm gonna try bleach, and then I'll give y'all an update. All right, so I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I just got off the phone with my mom. As you can see, we have some extra ingredients here. So I got a new bucket, and she basically told me for these red spots in the shoe to just soak it in a bucket of water with bleach and some detergent. And if it messes up, worst case scenario, it messes up. It's already messed up. So I was like, yeah, you kind of have a point. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna try and clean it because she wants me to soak it in here. And if I was gonna soak it, I was probably gonna soak it for maybe like an hour or so, and then come back to the video. But I'm gonna try and just scrub it with I guess all the stuff in this water, and then hopefully that gets it out. So I don't, because my main concern is that I don't want to have to get like this brown part ruined. I don't want it like to have bleach stains. I don't really know how this stuff works. Obviously, I know bleach stains and things of that nature, but um, I would rather do that. And y'all might be thinking that, like, why is he so calm? This and that. These are some real expensive shoes. It's because recently, and I was gonna talk about this in another video with my Reseller Gone Rogue series, but basically I had an incident where my sister, quote unquote, lost like $10,000 worth of my shoes, and so she lost my off-white MCAs. She lost my Cactus Flea Market Air Force Ones. What was else? What else in there? A lot of Yeezys, damn near like all my Yeezys, like my 500s, some 700s. My Zen Master 4s. People don't even really know about those for real. And so all of those shoes right there, if you comment one of those shoes, one of the shoes that my sister lost, and you put your size next to one of the shoes that I just mentioned, I'll pick you if I have your size available. But I should have a pretty decent amount of size. I probably have anything from like 4.5 to 14. There might be some sizes in between that are missing, but if you say your size with one of those shoes that I just mentioned,
and we have your size. I'm whoever's first. I'm gonna just reply to. And I really want to make this like a kind of series, especially now that I know that I can get the mold out of my shoes. I can go get the rest of the shoes because I left some shoes in the storage because I was like they're molded, and the storage facility for some reason doesn't have a like trash can or like a recycling bin or whatever, so you can't do anything with it. It's just really annoying and a pain just to go back and forth just to throw away trash. So I kind of just left a lot of stuff there and just gonna deal with that at another time. So you know what the crazy thing is? I didn't use any of the Prep Protect yet. Oh my god. I doubt it. I doubt it'll work, but we can put a couple drops there. I'm mixing this with like everything, bro. Hey, Crep Protect, sponsor me, bro. I'm gonna do these type of videos for you. Bro, the smell is getting to me. Realistically, I don't think this is coming out. It kind of looks the same, honestly. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna have to let it soak for a little bit. Yeah, I don't think anything's coming out. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it soak. Bro, it feels so bad just indulging this whole shoe in water, but I'm gonna let it soak for an hour. I'm gonna come back to it, and then whatever the results are, at the end of the day, I don't know. I'll probably just make it like a beat workout shoe because I mean, at the end of the day, it's still an expensive shoe, right? So here we go, bro. This wait, can I take this out? Because it's like a mop bucket, or I'll just put it on this side because it's the most important. All right, I can't put the whole thing in there. I'm just trying to make sure that it hits the most important spots, bro. Need a bigger bucket. Fuck. All right, I think that because wait, yeah, this is the side with all the red stains. So all right, so we're gonna let it soak. Did I even touch? I don't think I touched this pair, right? So I guess this can be like a little before and after. So this is the one that I worked on. I worked on the right pair, and this is the left pair. So we'll kind of just see a before and after. So I mean, even though you guys saw both pairs already in the beginning of the video, but this is yeah, I don't think I touched this one. So this is the other one, but you can see it has all those right there. So I'm gonna let this soak, and then I'm gonna come back uh, to the video in about an hour or so.